Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 18th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, FMCG, auto, pharma, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Kotak Mahindra Bank surged plus 3.57% to 389.95 Indian rupees in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kotak Mahindra Bank Q1 results, net profit up 26%, asset quality improves, check key numbers NDTV profit. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $413.35 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Moving to IT and technology. TCS made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.09% to 2,269 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TCS begins FY27 with continued growth, wins multiple RE transformation deals, Tata Consultancy Services. Large deal wins, measured by total contract value, are the most important signal for TCS revenue trajectory over the next 12 months. BFSI and retail verticals in North America are the key spending sectors to watch. Any IT budget revision by US banks would move TCS estimates meaningfully. Moving to FMCG. Hindustan Unilever climbed plus 2.16% to 2,143.80 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. The near-term technical picture for Hindustan Unilever looks constructive. Watch the $2,229.55 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to auto. Tata Motors edged higher plus 1.15% to 335.60 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's dipped minus 1.08% to 1,211.20 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. After today's weakness, the $1,174.86 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.28, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.